Hi, today's video will show you how to change your personal Instagram account into a business account. Converting to a business account can offer you a bunch of awesome features that you want to miss out, especially when you are a small business owner or just someone looking to take your Instagram game to the next level. So first thing first, open up your Instagram app and your phone and head over to your profile page. Once you are there, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools option and then tap on it. Here, you will see an option that says Switch to Professional Account. Click on Next. Instagram will ask you to select the category that best describes for your business. Choose the option which you like and tap Switch to Professional Account. Here, you can choose your type of account. Choose business if you are a small business owner or creator if you are an influencer, and then tap Next. Now you have to fill out your contact information such as email, phone number, and address. This will make it easier for your followers to get in touch with you. But if you don't want to that, just click Don't Use My Contact Info. After that, Instagram will ask you if you want to connect your Facebook page or not. If you want it, then click on Log into Facebook, otherwise tap on the Skip option. After you have completed all the necessary steps, congratulations, you have successfully converted your personal Instagram account into a business account. It's quick, easy, and totally worth it for anyone looking to grow their brand or business on the platform. And that's all. Thanks for watching.